is the number of children among the 5 who inherit the X-linked genetic disorder. Determine whether a probability distribution is given. If a probability distribution is given, find its mean and standard deviation. If it is not given, identify the requirements that are not satisfied. All right, so in order for it to be a probability distribution, the random variable has to be numerical. So we have 0 through 5. Also, each of the probabilities have to be between 0 and 1 inclusive, and they have to add up to 1 or approximately 1, given that, you could have rounding considerations and end up with like 0.99 or 1.01 or something like that. So this does, in fact, appear to show a probability distribution. So we'll click that. All right. Now we're asked to find the mean of the random variable X. We'll go ahead and use StatCrunch for this. So what we'll do is we'll click to copy the table, open it in StatCrunch. So here we have our data. These are our random variable values. And then these are our probabilities. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Stat, and then we're going to go to Calculators. And then we're going to go all the way to the bottom to Custom. And then we want our values are coming from the X variable, and our weights or probabilities are coming from the P of X. And then we hit compute. And that's it. That's all you have to do to solve this problem. So this is really cool. You can see that StatCrunch will provide a bar graph or a histogram right here, right? And you can actually look at it and tell that it's normally distributed. In fact, if you look at this and you look at the data on the left-hand side, you might even guess that the mean would be 2.5 because this is perfectly symmetrical. And you would imagine that right in the middle would be the number 2.5. So we have a mean of 2.5 and a standard deviation of 1.1. So let me go back to the problem, enter those values. We have 2.5. And then we have a standard deviation of 1.1. And they're correct. That concludes this lesson.